Before we begin, please click like, subscribe, and notify button to get the most recent updates and information from our YouTube channel.
If you prefer written or printed instructions for NextGeeker.com removal, we have them available on our website. To read the procedures, follow the link in the description below. Alternatively, if you want to watch a tutorial video, please continue viewing. NextGeeker.com is dangerous since it can activate several online redirections that may lead web users to websites that were created to spread malware, adware, or computer viruses. To stop the NextGeeker.com search hijacking, please follow our instructions. In this section, we will scan the computer with ADW Cleaner. This scanner is capable of deleting the Google Chrome policy that puts the browser under the Managed by Organization restriction. For the link to start downloading the program, see the description below. After downloading, please run ADW Cleaner. On the dashboard, click Settings in the sidebar. Enable Reset Chrome Policies and also Reset IE Policies. Go back to the dashboard of ADW Cleaner and click on the Scan Now button. After scanning the computer, it will show a message offering a basic repair feature. To reset WinSock and other settings misconfigured by the malware, click Run Basic Repair. After executing Basic Repair, you may now close ADW Cleaner program. After fixing the Google Chrome policies and removing malicious items, we may now be able to delete the malicious extension. Open the Google Chrome browser. Go to the upper right corner of the browser and click the three-dot icon. Select Extensions from the list. Click on Manage Extensions. Look for NextGeeker or any suspicious items and then click the Remove button. In the confirmation window, click the Remove button again. You may now close the Google Chrome browser. We hope that you have successfully removed the malware using this tutorial video. Please click the like, subscribe, and bell icons to be notified of recent threats and their fixes.